Large water tank, diaphragm valve. Application. The large water tank diaphragm valves are float-operate valves for use in automatic filling of water tanks, cistern, etc. It is ideal for replacement of bulky float and lever type valve. This type bigger valves are a good choice where maximum flow, compact, robust, and non-corrosive construction are required. How it works. When the water arrives the water limited line, the inside float operates a small pilot valve which in turn operates the main diaphragm valve. Then bigger valve will be closed. Similarly, the valve will open immediately when the water level falls down fully, automatically. Specifications. Available sizes. 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 and 1/4 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch and 2.5 inch. Working pressure, 0.2 to 10 bar. Temperature range, 1 to 80 Celsius. Flow rate, the water flow reaches 150 to 400 liter per minute at 8 bar water pressure.